Make sure to watch the video to the end, you not make any mistake. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open your YouTube app. After you open your YouTube app, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this settings icon at the top right side. Under the settings icon, scroll to down and tap on this manage all history, this one. So now it will ask you now to select a Gmail account that you are using on your YouTube app. So I'll just go and select my Gmail account. So now allow it to finish loading. So it will take you to this option. As you can see now, here it says keep your history makes YouTube more personal. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, as you can see now you can see all your history, watch history, and your search history on YouTube. Here are all my watch history and my search history. So in order for you to delete all of them, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this delete button. Under this delete button, as you can see now, you can manage to delete for the range of time, or you can tap on this delete all time, this one. So as you can see now it marks all my search history and my watch history on YouTube. So I'll just tap on this delete button. Tap on this delete button. So as you can see now it says deleting completed. Now I delete my search history and my watch history on YouTube. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.